Hey y'all, it's your girl Chi-Town. Today we're visiting Hairville with an installation video from the Donmily store on Amazon. This is a synthetic unit. It's 16 inches long and it's priced under $100. For my channel, I've decided to include different types of hair to appeal to different audiences. So you'll see me do human hair, synthetic hair, ponytails, you name it. So the unit comes with a pre-made parting space, and there isn't a lot of lace on here, but you're going to see me cut that off. It also came with a clip in the back and clips on the side so that you can secure it. I did see a random piece of thread right here, so I cut it off. And let's get started. The unit did come lightly pre-plucked, as you can see here, and I am not doing a bald cap this time. I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on. I'm using the Got to Be Glued styling gel and the blasting freeze spray for this installation. And my daughter was off to the side watching me, so that's why I'm just randomly smiling. So I'd like to mention again that this unit is synthetic. With synthetic hair, especially curly hair, you will experience some tangling. If you're looking for a cute unit that you can throw on quickly, this is definitely it. Because it is a lot of hair, I'll probably wear it pulled back, but I'm going to show you guys the hair down first. And I'm also going to have some pictures if you stay tuned. And that's it for this installation. Thanks so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time.